Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week's guest is the number 13E Superfast Baja Buggy. The model was first issued in 1971. The first edition had an engine with black pipes, but these were quickly changed to red, maybe to match the flower on the hood. Anyway, it looks like a true child of the late 60s era of beach buggies, hot rods and flower power. The Baja Buggy was primarily issued in light metallic green with a red and yellow flower on the hood, with a later shift towards lime green. The model was discontinued in 1977 to make room for the 13F snorkel fire truck. Part of the Baja Buggy casting was reused in a 1974 beach hopper, and interiors of both models are interchangeable, which could be a good idea for a model makeover in the future. The model on the turntable is thoroughly play-worn and has been painted black at one point. The chrome trim on the wheels is gone, the suspension is broken, and like with so many of these buggies, the engine is missing as it is only held in place by a plastic post. It seems like Leslie used this engine in lots of other popular models like the 2E Jeep Hot Rod, the 61C Blue Shark, the 36D Dragger Hot Rod, the 8F Ford Mustang Wildcat Dragster and the 4E Gruesome Twosome, either with or without the pipes. However, as you will soon find out, although the engine of the buggy looks exactly the same as all the others, it is smaller. So without further ado, let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. Another very popular superfast model, the Baja Buggy, was a child of its time, inspired by the late 60s flower power era of beach buggies and hot rods and made to compete with the American Hot Wheels. This specimen had been painted black and lost its engine as well as part of its suspension. The Tamiya metallic green is quite a lot darker than the original light metallic green. Nevertheless, it looks like it could have been made at the Lesney factory in the early 70s. I fitted the new engine with black pipes like the very first edition, replaced the suspension, cleaned and chromed the wheels and added a new flower sticker. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.